Conversation 1. Tell me about your family.
I love that new t-shirt you're wearing.
Thanks. My sister gave it to me for my birthday.
She has good taste. How old is she?
Actually, she's the same age as me, 24. We're twins. Look, here's a photo of us together.
Wow, you really look alike. And who's that?
That's my brother, Joseph. He's a musician.
Is he married?
Yes, he is. And he has 2 children, Anna and Max.
You look too young to be an aunt. Do they live near you?
No, they live far away. But they're coming here to visit soon. I can't wait to see them again. So tell me about your family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 3 brothers, but no sisters. They're all younger than me. I'm the oldest.
Conversation 2. What does she look like?
Hi, Jack. You're in Liana's class, aren't you? Could you give this to her for me? She's already in class and I have to run.
Sure, no problem. But what does Liana look like? Is she the girl with really short curly hair and long earrings?
Oh, you don't know Liana. Do you see the girl sitting right at the back of the class? She's pretty short and slim, in her mid-20s. She has long black hair.
I don't see anyone like that. What's she wearing?
She's wearing a black t-shirt.
Oh, yes, I see her. I'll give this to her. No problem.
Thanks.